So this is my $7 DIY shade tarp for my Nissan for overlanding or camping. And what I've done is I have two adjustable paint poles that hold up the edges, and then those are guide wired out to stakes on both sides. And then I actually just used a single piece of twine and tied it all the way along underneath using my roof rack bars. And so far, it's been a nice little shade structure for us. Using the adjustable paint poles is nice because you can raise or lower them, and it's got a nice kind of round end so you can button it off to the tarp before you tie your guideline. Really nice, really simple, $15 DIY shade structure. All right, y'all, so what I did to get this to strap on is I take the paint poles, I roll them up inside of the tarp, and then I just used a ratchet strap. And it made it, 400 miles on an 80 mile an hour on the highway. So it did pretty well. So cheap, easy way to build yourself a little teeny shade structure. Very nice. All right, y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us the like. And if you really enjoyed it, subscribe. It's one of the things in life that's free. And if you didn't like it, give us the thumbs down. We totally understand. Hope you are well, and we'll see you next week. Be well, my friends.